Hi guys! Another unboxing na naman tayo. So, ayan. Yan. May dumating tayo galing China. From Taobao. So, let's open it. Blo! Basag. We'll see what's inside. Baka walang laman. Can you help me to get the scissors? Oh, this is the this is the wow, very nice, Sabrina.
Yeah, that's cute.
Huh?
That's cute.
Yeah, that's cute. Yeah, ang galing. So, this is the calendar. I mean, meron siyang days, dito number din. This is the month. Yung month niya. At ito yung day. Diba? Ang galing, Sabrina.
That's cool.
That's nice.
We will put.
Yeah. Okay. And one more. Meron pang isa. I think this is the plate. We're planning to decorate this one. Like a flower. Oh, yeah. So, here it is. Dumating na nga siya. Ang paper plate. Ayan. Different colors. Oh, gusto nyo makita kung anong color? Ayan, merong siyang red, green, brown, blue, orange. Ang daming color. Gusto ko yung pink. Ayan, di ba ang galing? So, yun lang guys. Bye-bye! Kung gusto nyong bumili ng mga ganto, mga murang-murang dito sa Cambodia, ayan, gamit naman yung Taobao, tapos nyo sa Loda. Bye-bye! Okay. Okay.